People turn their heads and frown as I go by. The hatred in their eyes I cannot understand. Please tell me what my sin to take this lonely road, where no man meets my eye or takes my hand. There's a cold wind blowing in this land. There's a cold wind blowing in this country. There's a cold wind blowing in this land. And I see freeze that touch my face and chills my heart, for no one's there when I reach out my hand. There's a cold wind blowing in this land. I only know that brother must have brother on, and each man's heavy burdens all of us share. For in the end we all will rest as dust and clay. What matters then the colors that we bear, and the chill will never touch us there. There's a cold wind blowing in this country. There's a cold wind blowing in this land. And I see freeze that touch my face and chills my heart, for no one's there when I reach out my hand. There's a cold wind blowing in this land. There's a cold wind blowing in this country. There's a cold wind blowing in this land. And I see freeze that touch my face and chills my heart, for no one's there when I reach out my hand. There's a cold wind blowing in this land. There's a cold